So today I'm going to basically start the regimen of taking the DHT blocker, the vitamin D3, and the NutraM to have my hair grow back. So we'll see how this goes. I wrote this down on a yellow piece of paper because I will be able to see it, remember it, because I'm terrible at remembering what I need to do when to take it, etc. So I have the DHT blocker, take 4 capsules daily, the vitamin D3, 5 drops daily, and the NutraM. I have to apply 1 to 2 milliliters onto my scalp daily, and then massage onto the scalp. So the DHT blockers first. It gives you the directions um, on the box, but it also gives you better directions, not better, but it also gives you more detailed directions at advancedtrichology.com underneath the directions for use in within the product page for the DHT blocker. It says take 2 capsules in the morning and 2 capsules in the evening daily, 15 minutes prior to a meal, and it reiterates always take with a meal. So here on the directions for use on the actual container, it says take 1 serving of 4 capsules per day, take 2 capsules in the morning and 2 capsules in the evening daily with food. I get it. They were trying to cut short on words here. It makes sense. I think it makes better sense when you look at it on the website. So always take it with a meal. And if William Gaunitz tells me to do that, I will. So I'll do that. Next, the NutraM. This I have to apply 1 to 2 milliliters on my head, on the affected area, onto the scalp, and then massage it. So I will be doing that. This is the NutraM. I look forward to this. This is a very popular product on Amazon. It has amazing reviews. I already told you all this stuff in other videos, but here it goes. So if you go to the product page at Advanced Trichology, it tells you directions. Apply 1 to 2 mLs. 1 drop equals 1 ml, so 1 dropper. Directly onto the areas of hair loss on the scalp, massage into the scalp and let it sit overnight. So because it said let it sit overnight, I will do this every evening so that it sits on my head. I don't have to worry about it. The third product, my favorite, is the liquid vitamin D3. Why is it my favorite? Because I said I was going to start everything today. I was trying to start everything at the same time, but I just couldn't help myself. I had to open this and I had to smell it. And boy, does it smell good. I'm a sucker for lemons and oranges and anything citrus. And this smells amazing. It is probably my definition of heaven. And if it smells this amazing, it probably tastes this amazing too, which I already tried. I tried a couple of drops. It is delicious. So kudos to the guys that came up with the flavoring for this product, because I honestly thought this was just gonna be, you know, terrible tasting. Just leave that terrible flavor in the back of my tongue that I had to wash off with a stronger with a stronger drink. No, this is beyond words my favorite vitamin product I have ever had, and I'm not being paid for this. This is this is really good. This is amazing. So anyway, I tried it. It's really good. Yada yada yada. Okay. If you go down, where is it? If you go down to the before and afters and all the results, this, along with those 2 other products, I mean, look at these guys' hair. You can't you can't say this doesn't work. So I look forward to coming back to this video maybe 6 to 9 months from now with a lot more hair, looking at this video and saying, huh, that stuff really worked. So stick with me on my journey with Advanced Trichology. Delicious. take with meal, and put on my head. That's it. Let's see what happens.